Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Yo, good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, yesterday was supposed to be my last day for the week on Trading Nuts Live, right? But I talked to him and I wanted to get on today, so he said, "Yeah, go for it. Why not? Why not? Why not?" So that's why I'm here. I'm here today. So we're gonna see if we can catch something today, guys. Let's see if we can catch something today. Just gonna mark up my charts here. Let's just mark up my chart. Hi. How's it going? How are you doing? Let's see if I said this right. Adeniyi? I think that's right. Adeniyi? Adeniyi. I think that's right. Yeah, guys. Yo, Calm. I do remember you, bro. What happened to you? What happened? That's a very interesting name. By interesting, I mean like that's a pretty interesting difference between Calm It and wait, what now? That's kind of funny. Good, bro. How are you? I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good. I'm doing pretty good, actually. I'm doing pretty damn good. Nas bullish? I don't know yet, bro. I don't really know yet too much, but I was looking at it earlier, and I was thinking that if we do come up here and because it looks like we're trying to take out this level here of buy side liquidity, DOL, right here, right? So if we can take this level out and close pretty strong above here, then yes, I will consider taking longs. But if we come up here, we take out this high, and then we reject going higher, we close back below, I'll be looking to take shorts. We also have unemployment claims at 8:30. We might have a pretty good amount of movement for that just because of everything that is going on. And then tomorrow we have pretty big day. We have a pretty big day. We have NFP on Friday tomorrow. NFP, NFP, NFP. NFP is a big day tomorrow, guys. So, if you guys don't already know, hold on, let me see something. Oh, what'd you say? I changed my name from Comet to this. Wait, what now? Yeah, wait, what now? Yeah, that's an interesting change. What a switch. God, I've been having like feeling like I have this damn eyelash stuck in my eye all morning. All right, so the 15 has closed. So I'll mark up my open now, and now all I'm doing is I'm waiting for 9:30. How's your trading going? Calm. How is your trading going? Yo, real quick, guys. Yo, I made a new logo. What the fuck is this? It's not even. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. I'm good, not bad, brother. Yes, I was here at stream. You're playing some game. What was that about? G. It's a game called Wordle. It's a game called Wordle, and sometimes for Wordle, I will give away some 50K combines for Wordle for somebody who can win the Wordle before I can win the Wordle without cheating, without fucking cheating. So integrity definitely shows up here. You're fine. Oh, I'm doing okay. Thank you. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. So let's see exactly what's going on here, guys. So we have our DOL, BSL both here. Here's today's London high. And then here's an old London high from, what is this, last Thursday? Yeah, last Thursday. So this is last week's London high. Okay. Last week's London high. So untouched, unmitigated, very strong London high. Why? Because this high started this entire move down here. It came all the way down. So this is a pretty strong level. Pretty strong level. If you want to see how strong the level is, you want to see how strong or how much the market has moved from that level. And if it's moved away from that level pretty strong, it's a pretty strong level. Pretty strong level. I don't know why my normal logo's not popping up here. And now we have New York open. So now we're gonna see what 930 wants to bring for us. So we have our areas that we marked up. Let me show you. I want to show you guys. Oh, I know what happened. Yeah, I gotta show you guys my fucking logo. This shit's sexy. This shit's sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Hold on, it's coming though. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. Let me also put in my rules. I'm also going to be putting in my rules here, guys, so you're not just sitting here waiting and wondering when I'm going to be taking a trade. This is my morning routine. I'm about to step away in a second here. I just want to show you guys my fucking logo. That shit is so sexy. Yeah, here is my morning routine. And like I said, guys, I am currently creating a PDF file for the strategy and anything else that I feel is needed to be included to help anybody grow or to gain any type of knowledge. Okay, it's going to include everything from the strategy, how news affects NQ, how to trade news, how to completely mark up your zones, how to understand price action with the strategy at least. So much more, so much more. Come on. Okay, now it should send. There we go. There we go. Okay, here it is. Here's the logo, guys. This shit is sexy. Hold on, let me save it. Woo trades. That shit is gonna be imprinted in your brain. Oh shit. Wood trades, baby. There's the logo, guys. I just created this logo last night. Really starting to brand myself. Are you gonna wait for news before placing a trade? No, bro. I don't trade until after 9:30. I don't trade until after 9:30. Right here, it tells you exactly how my morning is going to go, so you're not sitting here wondering when the hell am I going to place a trade, okay? So I'm on here early because I am marking up the zone. It says it literally right here, okay? I'm on here from 8 a.m. to 8:20, marking up the zone using the 15-minute candle. No trades, just prep. We're just prepping. And now I'm about to step away from the markets, step away from the chart. I'm going to stretch. I'm going to journal, take a walk. I don't know, wash my face or something. Just kind of freshen myself up, take a breather, and get my mentality right before I come back on at 9:30, because 9:30. Okay. Also, I'm coming back at 9 o'clock, not 9:20, but 9:30 is when most of the volume comes in for New York, right? That's when most of the volume is coming in for New York. So what I'm doing is I'm just marking up my charts. I'm watching how the market is moving, and I am stepping away until 9:30. Or I'm coming back at 9 o'clock, but I'm not taking a trade until 9:30. 9:30 is my time to trade. No trades before 9:30. That's it. That's it. That's how my strategy works. My strategy works with volume. Okay, it works with volume. It works best with volume. You'll see most results with volume. So trading after 11 a.m. is just a no-go. That's when a lot of the volume is dying out. And trading before 9:30 a.m., that's also a no-go, because there's not as much volume as there is until 9:30 hits. What's up, Tony? What's up, Tony, my guy? All right, guys. So in the meantime, like I said, I will be back. Yeah, I will be back, guys. So if you want to trade your 8:30, whatever, you can trade your 8:30 or whatever. But my strategy consists of me waiting until after 9:30 a.m. Okay, it's very timing based. The strategy is extremely timing based. So I will. I'll be back. Yep. What's up, guys? I'm back. All right. Let's see. All right. So, based on my routine, I am back at the time. Yeah. Excuse me. No trades today, you say? I don't know, bro. Damn. All right. So, news came out. Yeah. News came out. Today is Thursday. So, unemployment news came out. Unemployment claims. And if you know or don't know anything about unemployment claims and how it affects you, unemployment claims, if it comes in bearish, like if it comes in, really, really bad results, like it did today, NQ is going to be bullish. If it was the opposite, NQ would be bearish. Okay, so that's why we saw this push up right here. So what we did was pre-news, we came down, we grabbed liquidity from London and Asia low, and then we immediately rejected, closed above, and shot up. So this is the unemployment news candle, technically speaking. So this would have been the actual reaction. So this was the initial movement, and now we took out both buy side and sell side liquidity. We took out both buy side and sell side liquidity. So whoever said no trades today, who knows? Hello, bro. I thought yesterday was your last stream. It was gonna be for the week. It's not completely. Like I stream every week. I stream every week, Monday through Wednesday. But today, I woke up and I decided I'm feeling really good today. I wanted to get on the live. I really enjoyed it yesterday. And I've been making a lot of content. Like I made logos, I've been making documents, a full guide on the strategy that I'm trying to get ready to upload into WAP pretty soon. I'm maybe uploading that into WAP really, really soon. Very, very cheap prices for everything. Very, very cheap. Yeah, we're not taking a trade until 9:30, and right now it's looking pretty choppy. Like I said, we took out both buy side and sell side liquidity already before open, before 9:30 open. So it might be a little choppy. So Kenny said no trades today. You might be right. You might be right. You got 2 trades today on bearish FPG in 1 minute. Nice. Good job, bro. Good job. What's up, Sanj? Good morning, bro. What's up, Sanj? My guy. My guy. So I want to show you guys just like a small little teaser of the strategy, or not strategy, the guide that I was creating last night. Let me see what I should show you guys. Okay. So we still have time before 9:30, so I can go ahead and show you. So here's a little teaser for the guide that I'm creating for you guys to post on WAP. Some people were interested in the strategy. It's going to be very price effective, cost effective. Just a little teaser. So we have examples, backtesting examples of the strategy. 2 strategies are in here, not just one. I used one strategy as the beginning strategy for my day, and then I used the other strategy as the second setup. Technically, the second leg. I can use the second strategy as the second leg. The second entry. But yeah, so here's a little teaser. And I'm going to be posting that on the WAP very, very soon. Good, thanks, bro. I will definitely keep on going. There's the Discord link if you guys want to join the Discord so you can be prepped on when to release the content into the walk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Donner, you were on here yesterday and I didn't hear one peep out of you until today. Not cool, bro. Yeah, I don't know if today's going to be a trading day, guys. Tomorrow we have NFP. Um, tomorrow we have NFP. So we could have a pretty choppy day. Bro, how do you think the ECB rate cut will affect the market? ECB cut means weaker euro, stronger US dollar, right? Let's ask my best. It's hot too. My heater on. So ECB, what is that? The European Central Bank. So the European Central Bank cutting rates. Let's see. You said ECB cut means weaker euro, stronger US dollar, right? So yeah, a rate cut weakens the euro relative to other currencies like the US dollar. I don't know too much about that, bro. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask my bestie, okay? Because I don't really know too much on that side. I'm more so focused on where I live, America. I don't know too much about that. Obviously, you said stronger U.S. dollar, right? But I don't really know too much about that, to be honest, bro. I don't know everything. I don't trade that, so I don't trade the euro or the dollar. You missed the morning words of wisdom. We actually haven't done it yet, man. We haven't done it yet. Thank you for reminding me. But yeah, we haven't done it yet. Not yet. I was gonna do it in like 2 minutes, actually. But yeah, Sanj, let's ask my best friend. Let's ask my best friend. Let's see. Lower rates equals lower yield for euro-denominated assets. Um, Euro USD usually drops, strengthening the dollar. So yes, weaker euro means stronger US dollar. That is correct, bro. The dovish ECB can pressure the Feds to follow suit, which markets may price in early. Global easing equals generally risk on environment. Um, if the factors are bearish or neutral, strong US dollar hurts multinational US companies' overseas earnings. If ECB cuts because of Eurozone weakness, it may spook markets short term. So watch Euro USD. If it's dropping, dollar strength is in play. Right? So if Euro USD is dropping, dollar strength is in play. Stronger USD can initially pull NQ lower, but if markets believe the Fed will be forced to follow, it can become bullish for NQ after digestion. So look for liquidity sweeps and news sentiment reactions around the ECB Fed divergence. Hope that helps, because I don't know what the hell I just wrote. But anyway, Shane, my bro, let's go ahead and do our morning words of wisdom. Right. So we are successful traders. We are patient. We are disciplined to our strategy. Right? We are not going to predict. We will only follow. I will follow my plan with discipline no matter what. No matter what. Yes, listening to audio Mark was very informative. Yes, bro. I'm reading his book, Trading in the Zone. I'm almost done. I have learned so much from this. A lot of these affirmations are from that book itself. I don't need to know what will happen next to make money. I don't need to know what will happen next to make money. You gotta say it with me, guys. You gotta say it with me. These are morning affirmations for our mindset before we enter any type of trade that we have to get our mindset set. Our mindset set. Losses are inevitable. Losses are inevitable. Anything can happen. Trading is a game of probability. Anything can happen. Okay. There are a few more. Oh, let me show you guys that. I have a couple more in here that I have been. What is this? Oh, here they are. Cash is a position, guys. Also, another affirmation. Staying cash is a position. Less is more. Less is always more in trading. Always. Why? Because we're following our plan with discipline no matter what. And if our setup doesn't present itself within the time that we are trading, then we're not taking the trade. We're going to come back the next day. If there's no setup, do nothing. If there's no setup and you're trying to force the setup, then you are experiencing pretty much FOMO in a way. Like, in a way, you're experiencing FOMO. What is my bias for today? My bias for today is I don't know anymore, because right now all levels of liquidity got taken out, both buy side and sell side. We have a data low sitting here. Here we are at a data low. And we already took out the data high right here, which is right above here. I would like to stay bullish because of what news did give us, the unemployment news. That was a bullish signal for everybody to go long. But another thing is we have NFP tomorrow, so that's a pretty big day. And normally on big days like NFP or CPI, you might see a lot of chop the day before, right? A lot of fucking chop. Low volume because everybody's waiting until the next day to press the button at the same time. So today might not be the best day to trade. Today might not be the best day to trade. Sorry if you guys heard me crunching on some ice. It's like we have this huge FVG here, but it's not really that strong of an FVG for me because it's so wicky. It's very wicky, very low volume right there. We had a huge spike, random spike. But I would like to see us stay bullish, but really wouldn't really know until tomorrow. Because if this daily can close above this level here somehow, if it can, then I'll stay bullish. But if we're coming up here, we took out this high, excuse me, when we close below, tomorrow I'm staying bearish. And tomorrow is what? Tomorrow's NFP. If we have a bearish movement, we could have a huge movement. Huge movement. Huge movement. I don't normally trade Fridays, but it's been a really. Oh wait, never mind. I can't trade Friday. I'm busy tomorrow. I'm busy all fucking day, so I'm gonna miss EP, but that's completely fine. But yeah, tomorrow, guys. I think it'd be really smart to stay out of the market today. Wait to see where this daily closes, and then tomorrow, if it closes above, fine, we'll stay long. If it closes below, we're going to see where it wants to reject from to come lower. That's what my bias would be for to end off the week and for NFP. But today, bro, we already took out, like I said, both buy side and sell side liquidity. So technically, we don't really have like a decent target. We don't really have a decent target. Right now, we have new level of liquidity. We don't need this anymore. We have a new level of liquidity. We did close above New York Open. So technically, I would wait for it to come and retest, but and then continue higher. I just not really liking the movement today. We're failing to seek lower, but yeah. I just don't really want to risk it much. And then it's not even 9:30 yet, so we'll see what happens at 9:30. But we already broke above, so we could see a retest, which technically we've been kind of tapping into here. The New York Open a lot. It's a huge 1 minute FVG here. Huge. If we can inverse this 1 minute FVG, I'll be looking to take. I think I'd be interested in taking shorts, but it looks like we're trying to bounce from to go higher. So we'll see what happens. Very choppy, so it's like obviously we want to take a trade, yeah, but we want to take a trade in this shit. I want to take a trade in this chop. I want to take a trade when I am definitely knowledgeable and able to even explain what the hell is going on. Right now, I'm not explaining exactly what's going on. All I can say is we're chopping up and it looks like we're trying to go long. That's it. But it's so choppy that I can't even be completely confident about that. So look at that. I just don't look at these candles. These are so these candles are definitely seek and destroy kind of candles. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. There's no true retest for me. I ain't risking it. I'm not risking it. It's just spiky. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go up. We could come back up here and take out this high. Or we could just come back down and shoot back down. Who fucking knows what we're gonna do? Not in this shot. Sorry, is that better? Sound not clear. Is this better? It may have been me mumbling. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that spike. We had this huge pump up, and then all of a sudden, boom, just spiked right back down. It's like in the water. Oh, is it doing that for anybody else? Is it better? Is this better? Kind of what I unplugged it. Oh, okay, it's better now. Okay, we're yeah, I unplugged it and plugged it back in. Okay, cool. Cool beans, cool beans, cool beans. All right, guys. So it's looking like. Ooh, are we trying to pick up volume here? Excuse me. Okay. See, this is where I would take a long, but this volume is just trash, man. It's just trash. I don't like these candles. Why the hell did it do that? It went up and then just spiked down in like 2 seconds. It's ugly. It's ugly. That's scary, man. That's like seeking your short. I'm telling you. You want to trade in this market? Go ahead. I don't want to trade. Not right now. Not until I see some cleaner price action. I need some cleaner price action, and then I will be able to form a bias. Because right now I don't have one. That's why I can't take a trade. There's no bias. There's no bias. It's way too chubby. So in trading, you need to know when the hell to stay off the markets and when the hell you need to be in the markets. And today, it's looking like you don't need to be in these markets today. That's what it's looking like. So we took out both SSL and that. Look at that shit. Look at this chop. Who the hell is in this? Who's trading this BS? Who is trading this bullshit, bro? You're waiting. You're trading this shit. You're crazy. You're crazy. Hopefully you win though. I mean, hopefully you win, but you're crazy, bro. I doubt any other professional fucking trader is trading in this chart, bro. You're crazy. Hey, if you guys weren't on earlier, look at my new logo. Look at that shit. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. It's me. Ain't that shit nice? It's just clean, bro. It's just clean. It's crisp. It's crisp. Still early. What's up, Jason? What up, my guy? Yeah, it's still pretty early. It's only 7 minutes into open, so anything could happen. But yeah, if we can get a nice, we tried the inverse already, but if we can get a closure below New York Open, I would look to take a quick scalp just to take out this data low here. Just to take out the data low. If we can get a nice closure below New York Open before, let's say, I don't know, before 10 o'clock. Before 10 o'clock, then I will look to take shorts into this data low. Yep, exactly, Jason. Good job, bro. Good job for not trading in this chop. You heard that, Mo? You read that, bro? Sideways action before open has me staying out for a bit. That's what you need to do. You lost 2.2% on Asia session on gold, so I'm done for the week. Let's look at gold. What did gold do during Asia? You must have been in longs for Asia. That's why you lost. You learned from me? Oh, shit, bro. I like that. I like that. You planned only 1% and you end up losing 2? Bro, discipline, my guy. You still had all these other sessions to make it back if you wanted to do that. You had London and New York. You didn't have to be trading for the whole, be done trading for the whole day. Maybe just for that session. You know, take a break, step back, take a break, clear your mind. I don't like trading Asia. Asia is the consolidation stage. Asia is the consolidation session for me. I usually only like to use Asia session as a level of liquidity, as a level of TP, or a level of direction. Oh wow, look at ES. Oh, NQ must be dropping too. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, let's see. We got 14 seconds before this close. Let's see if I take this trade. Let's see. Looks like we want to go down to the low here. To the data low. don't know if I want to. I just don't really know if I want to. I like the closure and all. I don't know. I think I'm gonna stay cash today. I think I'm gonna stay cash today. Yeah, I'm definitely staying cash today. Yeah, yeah. After we close below like that and now we're pumping back up again. Oh, oh no. So we inverse the gap. We inverse this FPG. And it's like, man, I look right for 1 second. I look at gold for 1 second. 1 second. And this shit happens. It's not bad, but it's just isn't like a. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like the market today. There's better trades. There's better trades that we can look for. Better trading days. You don't have to force a trade on today. It's just ugly. It's just ugly. Yeah, but it's not too early for me. If it's not playing out around this time, then it's not going to play out. Because technically, my inverse FEG strategy, it's not really going to be played out today because we already took out buy side and sell side before. This was the only FEG we had, and we already inversed it. And then look at that, like we inversed it and then just shot back up. What? But if I did take this trade, I mean, I would have been up with 37 points, which was nice and just it's a little risky. It's a little risky in this type of chop. Yeah. So it's probably just best to wait for new levels of liquidity to be formed. Yeah, early news did not help at all. It could have helped. It could have helped. Like yesterday, I think yesterday we had news, right? I think we had news yesterday, right? Yeah, we had PMI at 10 Club. Yeah, I took a really nice trade yesterday with news. Like right before news came out, and then I expected news to continue in our favor, and that's exactly what it did. TP was hit in like 0.5 seconds. 60 trade. 60 trade. How many points was that yesterday? I think it was 70 plus, maybe 50 plus points. Donner, are you in the Discord, bro? Donner. I need to see you join the Discord, bro. Donor. If you're typing in this chat and you're not in the Discord, shame on you. Shame on you. Yeah, let's look at gold again. I wanted to see what happened. So Asia session. Let's see what happened during Asia session. Asia just looked really choppy. Huh? That's why he lost. Don't trade in chop, bro. You see how London session had a pretty nice movement up, but it was like 5 a.m. or something. EQ had a crazy move at 3 a.m. I was awake actually at 3 a.m., but I don't trade at that time, so I don't even know why I was looking at the charts. You joined 30 minutes ago. Is that you? Are you where'd you go? Y.bash PAJ. Is that you? Ooh. It's gonna take out this low. Look, watch. Boom. Took it out. Boom. Yeah, if I had entered from here, with my stops above this candle, this would have been fine. This trade still played out really well, guys. Really, really well. Really, really, really well. But I just didn't like the movement or the volume or the candle patterns. Same thing. Volume, everything. If this looked better, I would have taken this trade. But this, I didn't like all of this trade. I didn't like all of that. It's very ugly. Now, if we can take out this low and then form an FEG coming down and then inverse, I would definitely take longs to go higher. So I will wait a little bit longer to see what we do. Oh, okay, your buyback not bad. Nice. I see you, bro. Welcome. Welcome to this code. Welcome to this code. Wow, this is crazy. If we close below here, though, if we can close below, I may look for shorts to continue low. Because that would give me a nice confirmation that we don't want to go higher. But it's just stops. I just need to know where my stops are going to be placed. Now, this is the data low, so we took out the data low. This is unemployment news. So I like that. I really would like to be a little bit more bullish today, but let's see what happens. I'm going to see what ES is doing. Four-hour closes in 10 minutes as well. that we're trying to create technically. So we're trying to create pretty much a W here. If we have a false break of the W, we could see a very huge drop. Very huge drop. No, I'm gonna take. I think I'm gonna take this, but only on today. For me, is not a PA day. It's a common day. Hold on a second. Oh shit, I got a piece of that. Kind of want to wait for this 4-hour open. So 7 minutes. We could see another retest of the double. Or close below this low and then we'll definitely be getting, possibly be getting a trade. Possibly. I'm not going to say that. But yeah, anything could happen, right? Anything can happen. Yeah, shorts very soon. I'm looking for shorts. I'm going to be looking for shorts. This will be my first TP right here. Well, my first TP will be wherever 1 to 5 is. But I'll be right back. I really have to use the Hello? Jackie? Hello? Okay. Sorry. Ooh, too much coffee. Too much coffee. All right. Let me see. We took out the data low. We took out the data low. I just really want to wait for 4 o'clock. I mean, not 4 o'clock. 4-hour open. I really, really, really want to wait till the 4 hour open. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be looking for short spreads, especially if ES is closing low like that. Yeah. But I'm not trading my PAs, only my combines today. I'm not doing it. All right, so we got 3 minutes until open. Three minutes until the 4 hour opens up. I'll let you guys watch this one, and I'll watch this one. I'll let you guys know exactly when I get in based on this strategy. This looks great so far. Okay. How is your week so far? Actually, pretty good. It's a green week. So on a day like this, I'm just going to be doing combines. I'm not going to risk the PA a day like this. All right, I'm getting in for those here. I want to see this come a little bit lower. Where's my entry? 21227. All the way down here, so I'm not sure where it is. We'll see what happens. It's just combine, guys. I don't care too much about the combines. Oh, but yeah, stops will be right above here. Okay. Right above here for stops. Okay. Hope not to jinx it. Well, that's okay. I mean, it doesn't matter because I already know today's a pretty choppy day. That's why I'm only doing the combines and not the PA counts. It doesn't matter. Anything can happen. Losses are inevitable. Trading is a game of probability, baby. All right, let's see. See if we can take this first low here. And then if we can, we could see lower. All right. So the only issue here is that NQ is struggling to go lower, but ES has already gone lower, closed below Asia low, closed below the data low. So I'm expecting NQ to follow ES. That's what I'm expecting. Want to hear a joke? Maybe after the trade. Well, actually, yeah, sure, whatever. It's my combine. I don't really care. Go ahead. What's the joke, bro? What is the joke? Might get stopped here. See what ES is doing. ES is coming back up as well. So, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Another New York Open retest. I'd rather show you guys this so you can see how the strategy works. But I'm still in. I'm in from Alright, so now let's move the stops here. Yeah, I'll keep it a little bit fun. Until what time is it? Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. We shall see. Alright, we're dropping here. Looks like we're trying to drop here. Looks like we're trying to drop. We're trying. The buyers are really trying to hold this bitch up. A Roman guy enters the bar and says, "Give me V beers." Alright, guys. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to close some here. All right, nice. I'm going to go break even. It says, "Give me V beers." Gold gave me 1% today. I don't get it. I don't get it. let me look at, let me go ahead and just close that. Beautiful. So that was nice. Because right now it looks like we're trying to actually, oh, I'm having a lot of rejection to go lower. So we took out that data low. Now we're struggling to take out this new low. But, okay, I'm out of that. That was nice. What was that? 23 points. 23 points. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, V in Latin is number 5. Oh. Oh, okay. That makes more sense. Ha ha. Let me read it again. A Roman guy enters the bar and says, "Give me 5 beers." Gold gave me 1% today. Alright guys, yeah, that was nice. No need to laugh though. Oh. Alright, so got some on the combine for the top step and some for Apex. Oh, that's all I got for Apex? That's crazy. How the hell did that happen? That's okay. Nice, 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 nice. Nice risk management. Very nice. But yeah, we're struggling to go lower now. So we're probably going to consolidate a little bit until figure out exactly what we want to do. Alrighty. Yes, I did, but I also closed. I just closed. I did move stops to break even, but then I just closed because it was obviously showing signs that I wanted to go back bullish. So um, manage your risk, be able to read the chart. When you're in position, I can read that chart. Alrighty. Well, I'm done, guys. I'm done. Today's not the best day in the market, but we had a nice stub. We got a win from it. Whatever it decided to give us, and we took what it decided to give us. We didn't be greedy today. Based on your trading strategy, do you risk more than those? Wait, what do you mean risking more than those you aim for? I don't understand your question. What do you mean, okay? Can you reword it? I want to answer, but I just don't understand what you're trying to ask. Based on your trading strategy. What? Do you mean like Oh, are you saying like if I want to risk $300, but I'm risking $500? Is that what you're asking me, bro? Okay. Okay. No, I don't. My my average RR is a 1 to 5. Well, my average RR is like a 2 to 3 to 1. But I close 80 to 90% at a 1 to 5. So that's why I say my average is a 1 to 5, because I close most of my position at a 1 to 5 to secure profits, and then I will leave my runners for wherever they are able to run to. So no. Um, Here, I'll show you my back testing strat. Well, not my back testing strat, but hold on. This is also an document that I'm creating. Here's my back testing results. Okay. Nope, not bad at all, bro. Not bad at all. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Rensal, if you're not in the Discord already, bro, you should definitely join so we can continue communicating and staying. Yeah, what's your question? What's your question? Whatever, you can ask whatever questions you want to ask. How long did it take you to profit trade when you were on the stage? Um, that's normal, man. We all go through it. We all go through it. The fact that you are at BE means you haven't had enough results on your strategy to tell you that it is a winning strategy. Yeah, so you're not confident enough in your strategy to allow your stops to get hit, or at least TP1 to get hit before you go BE. So it's really more so a mental thing, bro. I can't really help you in that aspect of knowing how long it's going to take you to get out of that stage, because it's mental, and it takes a lot of practice and observance of the market and how it moves, knowing how it moves, yada yada yada. A really good book that I'm reading now is here. Excuse me. If you want to learn how to get out of that BE stage, bro, I highly suggest this book. This book right here. You want to learn how to get out of that BE stage? Read this book. Read it. And then after that, read this one. All by Mark Douglas. Mark Douglas is the man. And then this one is also very helpful. These 3 books. I read the Candlestick Bible first. I didn't finish it actually, but I did an audio book for Candlestick, which I think it's better to get a hardcover for Candlestick Bible because it has a lot of images in there with candlestick patterns. Yeah, this market's crazy. Ugly ass market. This shit ugly. Yeah, join the Discord, Renzel, whatever. Do you think the cause of this is only based on the psychological factor? No, I would say it's both because, like I said before, if you haven't backtested your strategy enough to gain that those statistical wins or losses, to know when you're going to lose, to know when you're going to win, to know when you need to go break even, then you're not ever going to get out of that fucking phase. It's enough. Of course. Excuse me. I will not be on tomorrow, but join the Discord, bro. Join the Discord, and I'll let you know when I am live. Next time I'll be live is on Monday. I'll be live on Monday. I'm busy tomorrow. I have a busy day tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get off. Let's go ahead and end the stream with our typical Wordle. You too, bro. You too. You haven't missed those yet. I'm going to play my game first before we get off. Wordle. Let's play some Wordle. Stop. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. So we got a T, A, and a D, but none of them are in the right spots. 8. Oh, there's no E. Have a good weekend to you too, Sanj. Oh, wow. Yeah, see? Secured profits at the perfect time. Perfect time. Anyway. All right, let's see what we got here. Um, let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. I was thinking that too, but there's no E. But we can still see if that's correct. Okay, so the D is in the right spot. So I figured the D was going to be there. Stand? No, the D is in. No, no, it's not. It's not stand. The D is in the correct spot now. So now we need a word that starts with the letter D. So green means it's in the right spot. Yellow means it's in the word, but it's not in the right spot. So let's see. Let's see. What else, guys? What else, guys? What else? So maybe the T is here. I mean, the A is here. And the T is here. A second, D third. What? What? Rizzo, bro, I'm gonna need you to. Are you typing on your phone or something? Because adjust, no, calm. No, the word starts with the letter D. No A. No A. There's no R. They. That. This only makes sense right here. Oh, well, I guess it doesn't have to. There's no more vowels besides the I and A. Oh, okay. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Two more guesses. So the D and the A is in the right spot. So T, the T is not here. It's not here. The T here or maybe here. No, the A is in the right spot now, so there's no best. No best. D A T data. Dat Dapis. Um, what? Let's see. Oh, damn, you're close, bro. All right, so that's not okay. So you're close, bro. So the T is here. So the T has to be here. The T has to be here. That only makes sense because the T's not here. The T's not here. So the T is here. Data. Dat. There's no E. Yeah, no E. This is gonna be a interesting word. Now there's a T in it. We got a T. There's a T in it. The T has to be here though. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. So what the hell is the other? Dayton. Wow, good job, Sanj. Good job, Sanj. Good job. Hey, next time, be here Monday, bro. Be here Monday, because Monday, if you can get this Wordle, I think I'm gonna give away a very important part of the document. Okay. Which is very overlooked. I'm gonna give away the very important part of the document. New York Swift. Yeah, man, it's a crazy market today. I'm not gonna lie. Who the fuck is trading this shit right now? Because you're crazy. It's okay, bro. We'll get more Monday. But yeah, be here Monday, bro. If you can get that Wordle, I'm gonna give something away. All right, guys. I will see you on Monday again. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, here's the link one more time. But yeah, shout out to Sanj. Oh man. Close to him right here. That's that man right there. All right, guys. I'll see you on Monday. Stay safe. Have a good weekend. And tomorrow is NFP. Remember, tomorrow's NFP, so please be careful if you are going to trade NFP. Definitely wait until after, at least maybe 5 or 10 minutes after. It'd be really good. But you can use the first 5-minute candle and see where it takes you, see if it sweeps any type of liquidity or fails to sweep, and then you can find your direction. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye. Take care.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.